Monday, January 6th. Tonight, on the National, the dollar dips again, and banks put up their interest rates. Cancer crisis. A report says treatment centers are overcrowded and out of date. And on the Journal, like fighting death, the battle to contain the spread of the African desert. Ann Medina reports on the relentless advance of the Sahara and its threat to the future. The National with Knowlton Nash.
Good evening. The worst blizzard in 30 years. That's how New Brunswickers are describing the huge snowstorm that hit on the weekend. Today they're cursing the weather and digging out. Lynn Herzeg reports.
This is why they call this part of the country the snow belt.
My husband did the driveway, I did the path, and my son did the neighbors.
And there was plenty to shovel. This was the biggest blizzard to hit Moncton since 1955. The roads were a mess. The airport shut down. By the time it ended, there were 91 centimeters of snow on the ground. That's about 3 feet. The snow helped some create.
So we can make some snowmen.
And others contemplate.
This is the time when I wonder why I emigrated to Canada and not Australia.
But by this morning, most streets were plowed, and most people managed to get around one way or another.
For people in Moncton, it may be bad, but for people in Bathurst, north of here, it's worse.
City workers plowed the streets after the first storm Saturday, but then went on strike yesterday, just hours before the second storm hit. Today, Bathurst woke up to more than 50 centimeters of snow. Cars got stuck. Schools were closed. Tonight, the union and the city are trying to settle the strike. Until they do, it'll be up to the people of Bathurst to clean up the worst blizzard in years on their own. Lynn Herzeg, CBC News, Moncton, New Brunswick.